Experiencing internet issues with your Rogers Internet box? Let's start with the basics: power and cable connections. First, ensure your Rogers Internet box, like XB7 or XB8 models, is properly plugged into a working electrical outlet. Check the power adapter for any signs of damage. A solid green LED indicator usually means the box is receiving power correctly. If not, try a different outlet or adapter. Next, inspect all coaxial cable connections. Make sure they are tightly secured to both the internet box and the wall. Look for any signs of damage, like fraying or kinks in the cable. Loose or damaged cables are a common cause of signal loss. Rogers reports that up to 70% of connectivity problems are solved with these simple steps. For optimal performance, your signal-to-noise ratio, SNR, should be above 35 dB. Consider upgrading to a shielded coaxial cable to improve SNR and prevent intermittent drops, especially in areas with signal instability during peak hours. Use the Rogers app or web portal to check downstream-upstream power levels. If power and cable checks don't resolve the issue, a factory reset might be necessary. This will erase any custom settings and restore the box to its default configuration, which can resolve firmware glitches or corruption. Before proceeding, back up any custom settings via the Rogers Ignite app if possible. To perform a factory reset, locate the small pinhole button on the back or bottom of your Rogers Internet box. Use a paperclip or similar tool to press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. The box will restart, and the LED indicators will flash, indicating the reset is in progress. Alternatively, some models allow you to initiate a factory reset through the Ignite app. Be patient as the box resets and reconnects to the network. This process can take several minutes. Remember, Rogers data shows that factory resets resolve about 80% of box-related outages without requiring a technician visit. If problems persist after a reset, it might indicate a more serious hardware issue requiring professional support from Rogers.